at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame. Hey. Damn. You draw your line in the sand. You pick a side and then you ride with them. I was never in the house, nigga, I was outside with him. Me go, I'm loading up my pistol when I slide with him. I abide by the rules of the game, nigga, you can die with him. Load the chopper up, hop in the car, I got my alibi. Leave my seat back in case they shooting while I'm passing by. I got a problem if you my brother, nigga, don't ask me why. Me go, I'm taking flight, you see me, I spread my wings and fly. From a grand to a brick, my whole life I had dreams with them. We had designer jeans, the robbers with the wings in them. Grab a clean soda, make it dirty and put my lean in them. Where I'm from, you cook up by the stove and then the fiends get them. Me go. I started off in church, made the plug and got some work. Trump just closed the borders up, it's 19 for the shirt. Hey, me go out and make the stretch and make the key hit a growth spurt. Till my partner on the play to test the bricks, said his nose hurt. We selling dope while in the trap, I'm in the hallway smoking perk. Buy my trophies in the club.
Yo, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be more like a vlog. Right now, I got new pegs for the Light B and new brake pads for the MT5s because there's like barely anything in there. And if you guys didn't notice already, I got new Supermotos, 17-inch Supermotos. They look so good. That's all this build needed really. But I'm gonna put the new pegs on, then the brake pads, and my friend's coming, and then we're probably gonna go hit some jumps and stuff. So let's go.
Talk my jury flirt. I'm bumping into bitches and spilling drink because I'm turned. First nigga that try to play will make your situation worse.
Hijo, recuérdalo siempre. Estás en mis oraciones. Dios está contigo. Él guarda.
Alright guys, got new pegs on and pads. Now I'm trying to bed them in. Yo, what's up guys? On the GoPro now. A few of my friends are right there. They're building a little. I'm gonna explore. I was just building too, but I wanted to explore more. Cause I haven't been here in a while and a lot has changed. Oh shoot, ow! This is so sketchy on SUMOS. There's so many rocks. If you brake tap a little, your rear goes sliding. See all these rocks? It's so sketchy. Cause there's a pump track back there, and they built it up for RC cars. So now we're building it down for bikes. Cause like everything they put, it was like super soft and stuff. So it's for RC cars. So we have to build it down, harden it and all that. So that's what we were doing, but I wanted to explore for the YouTube vid. We built jumps here a long time ago and they got destroyed like maybe a month later. I low-key do not want to go back there though. Oh shoot. It's so slippery. Let's line up the jump real quick. Bro, but you land in straight rocks. You know how sketchy that is? Bro. I'm gonna hit it a little bit. Yo, now I'm just gonna go up and up more. Seems to be good. It's just you land at an angle a little. Oh, yesterday was Halloween. Oh shoot, who is that? I'm gonna go the other way. Yesterday was Halloween. It was so much fun. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch the camera angle. We're back, camera angle switch. The bike feels so good. New pad, still gotta break in a little. Alright, we're gonna switch the camera angle again. Oh, this light bee is so much fun. Bro, this new SUMOS feels so... It swerves so easily with the Supermotos now. My friends told me to go back. Wait, that truck should be gone. I want to run this jump. I don't know if I'm going to be able to build up the hill again. Well, because I used to have knobbies, so it's pretty easy to go up the hill, but I don't know how easy it's going to be to now. It's so slippery right here. Is the rut still here? Oh yeah, barely. You can kind of see the rut. Bro, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to build up that. Bro, that's so sketch on SUMOS. Oh, let's hit this little skate park thingy. This thing is fun. Oh. Yo. Alright, I should stop side questing and go build. Oh, I wanted to see the water. We could look from right there. No! Oh! Oh! Bro, how'd that even happen? Oh, we're in sand. Bike chilling. Bro, how did it get that crooked? I bet. You guys did not see that. There's hardly water in there. Okay. I had it saved for like a second. And then I didn't. Bro, I'm just gonna have to fully send it down this. Yo! So sketch. Now I'm watching out on turns. Good thing there wasn't a ton of rocks right there. Because then it would have scratched up my frame. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Peace out.
Say that I've met you a start.
In the club, hopping with my niggas. Kodak pop. All love, rocking on them jiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't hear it. You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true, that's true. Boom, about my stuff. All my niggas, monkeys, we gorillas.
Some people even think it's fun to smash pumpkins.
Oh, come on, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, I ain't nothing like you.